Hey guys, welcome back to another update on tropical cyclone remal and typhoon and Ewiner. This typhoon and Ewiner did rapidly intensify earlier on uh, this morning and throughout the day and became a typhoon. It's at 80 knots, which I believe is about 85 to 90 miles an hour. As you can see, it's got a pinhole eye, which is looking really good. It's a category 1, and usually category 1s don't usually have eyes, do they? So I personally believe it. I think it's a category 3 right now. But the JTWC's cone, they have it as 80 knots right now. They are indicating a peak of 120 knots, which I believe is 130 miles an hour. Low end category 4, high end cat 5. Low end cat 4, high end cat 3. As it pulls away from the Philippines. By the time it gets to Japan by the 31st, it's going to be 45 knots. Moving away. But you guys in Japan, you guys can expect some rainfall from this system. South of Japan, near Tokyo and those places there. You can get some rainfall and some gusty swells. Other than that, you're not really going to get wind. It's probably just going to be a rain threat. For the Ogasawara Islands here, the small Japanese islands Kandia and Oshima, you guys will get some surf impact, maybe some tropical storm force winds, but most likely it's probably going to be rainfall. But for this island in the cone, Tatojima, how we pronounce it, you guys will get some wind speed, probably typhoon status, maybe tropical storm status as the storm goes further north. But at that point it will be 90 knots, which will be a category 1 at that point. But you guys probably will get some rainfall. This is what the satellite imagery of Typhoon Ewiner looks like. It did look better. Earlier on today. But I don't underestimate that this storm could rapidly intensify or explosively intensify tonight. To become category 4. I am hitting of a category 4 peak, 130 to 135 miles an hour. But any higher than that, I don't think the storm will get. You never know with these type of systems. They could explosively intensify to become a category 5. That's what Rye did. That's what Typhoon Rye did. That's what Typhoon Solar did last year. But in Ewiner, pressure of 966 millibars. But this is the model runs. Basically, most of the model runs do want it moving out towards the north. They haven't updated this yet. This was at 6 Zulu time, so the next update probably will come out at 12 Zulu. But they have it as pretty weak, 978, 976 millibars, which it's already deeper than that right now. The Typhoon Remal is will make landfall in India in the next couple of hours, probably as a 60 knot system, maybe maybe pushing 65 knots, maybe pushing 75 miles an hour. But I doubt that because it's got a wind shear on it, so it probably will weaken a little bit for landfall. But you can expect some very heavy rainfall near Kolkata, and probably some. The wind's not going to be. It's not going to be a wind threat or a surge or a storm surge threat. It's going to be rainfall threat. So from the likes of Kolkata to about the end of this cold, Chittagong or whatever it is, guys, we get some rainfall, very heavy rainfall at some times. Show you the model runs for both of the systems, proper model runs. They want a little something in the Atlantic, which I'll show you towards the end of the video. But if you have a look on the GFS, they do want typhoon and ewiner 1W. They do want it to be a pretty significant storm. It's already 987 millibars. It's higher than that. It's lower than that right now. It's 966 millibars. But as you can see, as it heads towards the north, the GFS does has it near the Ryukyu Islands. There's a 968 millibar cyclone, which is equivalent to a category 3. And then obviously as it heads towards the north, as it heads in towards cooler sea surface temperatures, higher wind shear and a dry atmosphere, towards the north, and it just completely dies off. But it does get near Japan. This is where you guys could get some rainfall from May 30th to about May 31st. You guys could get some rainfall, not some significant amount of rainfall, but enough rainfall to at least cause flooding. So the model runs real quick for typhoon remal. Don't take the GFS with a pinch of salt. The GFS has been underachieving the past year, so don't take the GFS as a pinch of salt. But they do want typhoon remal a little bit weaker. It doesn't matter if the pressure is 986 millibars, it's still 65 miles an hour. Because they did want it to, as my update yesterday that I did, they said they wanted cyclone remal to be a category 1 by now, or category 2 by now, making landfall. But well, okay, the model ones aren't really working. Oh, now they work. Okay, 978 millibars just off the coast. So you're looking at making landfall about 5-6 o'clock. My time, but I don't know what that time is in India. So probably about roughly maybe even half an hour to make landfall. And it just, as soon as it gets in line, it just completely dies. Completely dies out over the Himalayas. Quickly show you that system in the Atlantic, then I'll wrap up. GFS does run a little something in the Caribbean Sea by from the 27th, which is tomorrow, to the 31st, which is Tuesday or Wednesday, I think it is. We're in a little tropical storm out there, not pretty strong, not, it's about a week, probably like 45 to 50 miles an hour. But I'll quickly show you the GFS real quick. Down here, see, by the 26th, you can see a little area of interest near Nicaragua and Honduras. And then it moves out towards Jamaica, near Cuba. Just grazes the coast of Jamaica, gives some rainfall to Jamaica, and then goes in between Cuba, Haiti, and the Bahamas. And you do see another system up here. Whether that gets sucked in with that other system, it becomes another system up here. Don't know, but there's two massive high pressure systems. One of the Azores and one near the Bermuda. As you can see, then it goes over Bermuda, over Cuba and those little Bahama islands, Turks and Caicos Islands, and then gets pulled out towards the open ocean, and don't really impact anyone else after that, apart from giving a bit of rainfall to Jamaica, Cuba, Haiti, the Dominican Republic, and the Turks and Caicos Islands. And also Nicaragua and Honduras does get some rainfall from the system. So I wouldn't take this as a grain of salt. The European model isn't really hinting of this, so whether GFS is right, whether it's wrong, we don't know. Just keep an eye on it between from today and the 1st of June. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this update, quick short update, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Peace.